another beautiful day in our village, and today I want to show you guys how we buy our best sweet potatoes. So Mercy is already here harvesting them, and let me show you what she's doing. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know where you're watching from. So this is what you got already. Okay. This is how we are best sweet potatoes in Africa. But they are tiny, tiny. This one you have to dig and dig and dig. But another thing is, she's digging but she's not cutting them. How come? That one is still. Hey, there's Dudu there, so. Yes, there's a big one there. The one here. So actually, today we are cooking some popular traditional food. Okay, in South Sudan we also have it, but there they call it what's the name again? Oh my god, it's not my traditional food, but it's also another tribe South Sudanese food also. Yeah, what am I saying? Okay, South Sudan have 64 tribes. So my tribe, we don't cook it, we don't have it. But another one of the 64 tribe is their local food, right? Also in South Sudan. So in Uganda also it's here, and they call it basco. It's mix of simsim. So we are trying to get this sweet potatoes so that we can eat it with the basco. Which side should I cut? Which one should I cut? Where? This one? No, but this is big. This one is small. I leave this one? Yes. But this one is okay. I don't want to cut it, that's why I'm trying to do it. They have a lot of insects. Down there, so they're eating them. So most of them are actually spoiled. Let me tie my clothes like this. I want YouTube to restrict my videos these days. I've suffered. They are limiting my videos just by that. Come on, stand. Is there something here?
Is here?
This one?
Yeah.
Like, I'm looking for them in the wrong place. Yes, I've seen. Oh, I got a big one. I haven't cut it. The herb is here. I've sliced it. Oh, some herb insects. You guys, I'm cutting them instead. They're saying, how do you do it that you are not cutting them and we are busy cutting them? Let me do it well. I've cut another one. Oh my god. Wow. Mercy, how do you do it that you don't cut them? Yeah, there are a lot. Yes. So there are many. Yes, sir. It's not there again. I'm good. But so guys, show them this one. So this is what we got so far. Let me go home and get something so that we can collect them. I'm coming, eh? Let me come. Wait. How do we get to collect it? We can go with this one. Straight way.
They don't go. I don't know if there is one.
So this one you cannot take together.
They say like that. I don't know if there is.
Oh, well, let's go. So guys, let's go and get our sweet potatoes. Yeah, yeah. As we're walking. Yeah. So we collect them one by one. Yeah. So this is literally how we are best sweet potatoes in African villages or in the village. Most of this one that I've got, I'm the one who cut them. This one now we can eat them for some days without coming to the garden. I just keep them in the house and we have food put inside. You don't need to be coming every day or every time you want to eat sweet potatoes to the garden. You just get some few, then you'll be eating them slowly. This one, guys, if you take tea with this one, it's sweet past. Hey, yeah, I enjoyed this one. Oh, guys, you think I'll leave you? I will not leave you. Oh, there's no Western Africa. Look at that, Matthew. So, yeah, we got our sweet potatoes, guys, and now let's take them to where we are filling them, because that's what we are going to eat for dinner. Yes. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Let us know where you're watching from. Peace out.